YouTube, what's up? You know what's up. We're here to take a look at the MixPro underwater scooter by Sublue. Let's dive into this thing. The MixPro underwater scooter. Experience an epic adventure, exploring the scene with your smartphone to capture the moment and share the unique perspective in a second. Wow, this thing goes 4.3 miles per hour. What is that, like the same speed of Michael Phelps? Is he faster? Slower, faster? Somebody look into that one. Got 2 gears, 60 minutes battery life, low battery alert, that's good. And 2 hours to get you back up and running with that quick charger. Let's see what we got in here. Alright. Check this out. Sublue. Who does that? Sublue does that. What do we got right here? What is this? A manual. I think this thing's pretty straightforward, but 100 and something pages. Make sure you look at that. More styrofoam. Whoa. Don't need that. Oh, here's what we all came for. What do you think? I'm thinking it's kind of heavy. Probably feel a lot lighter in the water though. Some battery in there. That battery's already in there. Ooh, that thing's like a freaking brick. Must be like, it's like one of those 90s phones. Put that back in there. Slides right into place. We got a lock and unlock. Got your 2 triggers. Got your props. Charger. We know what those look like. I can't wait to use it. Too bad I'm on lockdown, but as soon as we're done, I'll tell you what, we're gonna do a review on this thing. Well, I'm not. Phil is.
Hey, what's up? I'm Phil.
Till then, stay home, stay safe. Subscribe. You don't want to miss this review. Thanks for tuning in.